Okay. You know, this is part 2 of me opening my fall preview sale clothes. But I'm ashamed of myself because it's fall, y'all. So I started opening the stuff in the summer. You can go look at that video, which I probably just posted. No, I'll take that out. So I started this in the summer, but I've been doing some stuff around here, so it's cold now. I need to be wearing this stuff, but I wanted to show you, so I didn't unbox it because I couldn't wear it no way. So now, by this time, I have forgotten what I bought. So if it don't fit, you know, it's Nordstrom. You can return it, as long as you don't mess it up. Okay. See? Free returns. Alright, so this box has some jeans. I think I bought me some. See? I should have opened this a long time ago. So, these are cute though. So look at the detail. It is elastic waist, so what? It's got the old school look in the back, the pockets. Pockets on the side are cute. Alright, I think these will look cute. Let's see what these boots I have on right now, but I gotta try these on. These by BDG. Y2K cargo. Low rise. Alright. I wanted to finish what I started. Because I didn't finish telling you about jewelry duty. I don't think I want to bring it up no more. But you guys were making me feel better. Alright. So I bought a bag. And this is by Ellington. The bag is, I like it. Right? I think I'm going to try to show you the pictures from the catalog. You know, so you can get a more catalog visual. But this is cute. You know, I'm not a fan of these people trying to charge us a bunch of money for a non-leather bag. But I want to say, for the sale, All Saints is the name of the bag. All Saints. Got me a little card. Oh, they gave me a bag to put it in. Okay. See? Whoops, upside down. Oh, it's just the name is at the bottom of the bag. Okay, that's nice. That's a nice added attraction. And then it buttons here. I like it. Alright. You see what I have on? I can't, these are like go-go boots. These, same color, but a cowboy looking boot. Oh, I'm not gonna say nothing. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. I know y'all can't believe it. I took all this time to open these boxes, but I did. I kind of want to show you when I wear it, style it with different stuff too. But okay, so this is a coat. Let me put my scissors up here so I can show y'all. Okay, I'll put them down here. I can see rocking this coat. Now, this is what you get for leaving it in the box too long. This is a cashmere coat. You understand me? Burgundy. Okay? Big, you know, loose fitting. It's kind of thin. It's cashmere. Who is this by? Signature. I'm not a big, so it's a Nordstrom Signature. not a big designer person. I just pick what I like. People are like, well, who is that? And I'm like, look at the tag. You should see me. Right here, look. Alright, so I love it. I needed this burgundy in my life. I love it. I love that it's lightweight. I love this cashmere. I'm not gonna, I was about to say, I'm not gonna love it if I don't have a pocket. So I just have to open it up. You see that? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Next. So here's the save the date. So you see this sale was July 13th. It's now. That's how long it's been since these boxes been. Okay. Alright. So these are a cowboy boot. And don't try to say I have the same thing. I did not. Okay, so this is more cowboy looking. It's still a pointy toe. I guess my square toes are going away somewhere, but I love it. Love it. Love it. I got some jeans from Boot Barn. And a leather vest. I'm going to rock with these. But I love these. So I hope they don't hurt. Alright. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I'm going to show you. It's a big difference between the two. You know, one is just a plain, sexy, sexy ankle boot. Okay, they both have a little cowboy looking heel, but I'm satisfied with both. You know, somebody's like, no, send one back. No. So, I guess I was going to wear the hot pink. You know, I just put those shoes up. But I have some hot pink. They're about the same people? No. Corduroy pants. Do you see that? But I'm still feeling floody on all of these pants. So I can rock it like that. Especially with my booties selection I have. You know, I could rock it like this. Can you see? Right. See. I'm not sure you can see, but yeah, I could rock it like this. I like these. In the winter, hot pink? What? I don't know where I'm wearing this. I think I got a jacket kind of to bring it all together. Alright, so another jacket. This is by Free People. I love them. Alright, and this is cropped. One button, black. Wear it with every and anything. Let's see. Yes. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Yeah. Now that's fitting. Okay. I love this. You need a hanger. I love you so much, but it's okay. Next. This is a dress, I want to say. I remember that far back. Okay. And that's a burgundy. Floret Studios. Is this the front? This is the back. And there's a tie. Little thing in the back. It's going to be short too. That's how I roll. But it's going to be like how my skirt is. You see that? So this will be cute for me. I like it. Simple. Something to go out in. And you know what? I can see it with my little jacket. And I have some black booties, whatever. Not thigh highs. Alright. Here is how it was in the catalog. They had this pink farmer on the girl, young girl, with those pink pants. I don't know how they was doing that because it does not match. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to. See, they had this with this in the picture. That's how they had it. So I don't know. We'll see. There's shades of pink, but I doubt I'll wear it like that. I could see me rocking this with some beige pants, corduroys, or just whatever. Let's go for a walk. Walk my dog. Yeah. I like this. Okay, so this was together. I like this. What do y'all think? Got the pockets. Anything inside? Nothing. Just a cute little collar. I like it. Okay. Keeper. If I had a hair, I'd hang it up. Like that. Okay, that was the last bag, y'all. We have done it. We've done it. And I'm going to Chicago next week. It's gonna be cold. And I said, girl, if you don't get downstairs and open these boxes, I'm thinking this is gonna be my favorite already. I have too many jackets and coats. So I did say this in the first video. I'm saying that now. Any coat or jacket that comes into the house, I gotta get rid of one. But let me tell you, I should have had this damn coat on today. I just came from the club. Club my age club. Oh my gosh. What in the world? Look. With my booty or the new booty. What? Let me show you. Like this. Oh my God. I love it. It feels wonderful. I'm so excited. It feels... Oh. Okay. That's it, y'all. Thank you for being with me. Look. I'm like, back. And with this outfit, which, no, I probably won't wear it no more, but whatever. Yeah. Oh, this feels wonderful. All right, bye, y'all. Thank you for hanging with me. I'm still have my animals, though, but I want to get more in front of the camera. So I started with this. My favorite thing, one of them, to do is shop. I make stuff too, so we'll go into that later. All right, bye. Have a great day. All right.